Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazing today. In today's video, I am excited to share my latest handmade creation with you. This beautiful crochet bedsheet. This bedsheet is not just home decor, it is a piece of art made with patience, creativity and lots of love. Every stitch is carefully crafted to give it a neat and elegant finish. It took many hours of hard work to complete, but the final result is totally worth it. I choose soft and high quality yarn to make sure this bedsheet feel comfortable and cozy. It is perfect for all season and add a warm handmade touch to your bedroom. The design featured lovely pattern that make the bed look stylish and luxurious. Whether you have a modern room or a traditional setup, this crochet bedsheet blend beautifully with any interior. One of the best things about handmade crochet bedsheet is their durability. They last long, are washable and remain beautiful of wear if taken care of properly. This bedsheet is also a perfect gift idea for wedding, housewarming, or special occasion. Handmade gifts always feel more special because they are made with love. If you love unique and handmade home decor, then this crochet bedsheet is must have for you. It not only enhances the beauty of your room but also give a cozy and peaceful vibe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment your thought, subscribe to my channel for more handmade crochet design. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.